Hello, this is Adlita from Crafts by Ad. If you're watching this video, then you purchased the application from Apple Store called Embroidery Inventory. I'm going to show you how to input the data into your app using your iPad. You can use your iPad or iPhone to input your data. I prefer to use my iPad. It's a bigger screen. The views from your iPad to your iPhone may look slightly different, but the process is the same. Now you have already downloaded the application, so we're going to go ahead and select the icon, the purple icon, Embroidery Inventory, EI. You're going to notice on mine when it comes up on the left side, I have already added a lot of designs. If you look at the top, it says a collection list. 79 of them I've added. When you open up yours would be blank. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and select Add on the top left corner. Now you notice there's a bunch of fields we're going to fill in. So first we're going to start with the first field called Name. And this is where you're going to put your design. So let's see. The design that I'm going to be adding here, it's called Animal Adventure Ornaments. There is no file name for this because there's lots of different designs. Actually, there's about 16 different designs in here. And so I would just go to the actual folder and then decide what I want to do. This is a Anita Good Design collection, and so they have a bunch of them in there. Keywords. This is where when I want to do a search and I'm looking for a particular type of design, this is where it's going to search on. So for example, this one here, it has a raccoon. And this is the format you're going to follow, comma, space, fox, hippo, lion, panda, and they have several others. Just to save time for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and just stop. I can always come back to this later, and in the edit mode, I can add more if I want. Design type. This here is actually, I'm going to say it is an applique embroidery. Now you could have different types of design type. This could be red work, black work, cut work, mylar, lace, projects. This one here is sort of like a project because it's an ornament, and you could put candy canes in it. So depends on how you want to organize your designs. The size in this collections, there are various sizes for this, but in this one here, it's going to be one standard size, and I didn't grab the size of it, so I'm not quite too sure, but I could come back and make a change on that if I want later on. And this, like I said, the vendor is Anita Good Design. And now we're going to go to the web address. Now, this is where it's going to link us to where this design is. So what I'm going to do on the far right corner, there's a circle with an eye. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And it's going to take me to a search page using Google search. Now, I'm going to tap where there's a part to type in. And since I've been doing this, there's stuff there. But normally you would go ahead up here and you could type whatever it is. But since I already have it, you see Anita Good Design, I'm going to go ahead and select that one. And there it is, Anita Good Design Home. So that's, I believe, where I want to go, so I'm going to tap on it. Now this is their home page, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on the search. And so remember, the name was Animal Adventure Ornaments. And there it is. And here it is. So I like this. I'm going to move it up because I'm going to capture this image. So on the far right side, it says image on the bottom there. I'm going to tap that. When I tap it, it comes up in an image edit mode. So now I'm going to use my finger. If you want, you can use your iPad pen. But I'm going to use my finger and draw around the image that I want. And I think that works for me. The price here is $34.95 if you notice. Now I'm going to go ahead and say crop. And then it tells you to say, telling you you're going to click done twice. And I'm going to say OK. So what I'm doing now, when I say done, I'm going to get out of the image edit mode. And now I'm going to get out of the select web address mode by saying done. And as you notice there, the URL or the web address is in there now. And notice in the bottom where its picture is going to go, it says in blue in the middle in the bottom, paste from clipboard. I'm going to go ahead and tap that. And there goes the image. Now I'm going to go to price. And remember I said it was $34.95, and the format for that is just type in 3495. Now location. A lot of times people like to store their designs on USB flash drives or external drives, scan disk. I like to put mine on my desktop. And so for my desktop, I actually have a path. So this is my path. And actually, Sheila's the one who bought this for me. Oh, I really don't remember. I'm just going to say November 2016. And on the left side, say done. Or actually, it wasn't date purchase. Comments. This is where I'm going to put my comments. So, for example, I'm going to say these are ornaments to hang, and you can put candy canes through them. So you can put whatever you want. Now I'm going to go ahead and say save. Now, if I go back and look at it, which was called Animal Adventure, because this is in alphabetical order, there it is, Animal Adventure. And as you can see on the left side, there's an image there. Let's go ahead and tap on it. And so here it is, and I see the image. Now, if I go and tap on that picture, it's going to be larger, and I can see it better. And on the bottom, just go ahead and close. Now, let's say you want to go ahead and add some more stuff onto here, like the keywords. You can go ahead and do edit, and then you could go ahead and tap on that and add something else. I think there was squirrels. And now I'm going to go ahead and save it. So now that was all saved. And so now you've been adding. So each time you add, this is what you're going to do. Make sure you have all the time you're going to save your design. Another item that you're going to be learning to do is going to be with your options there. And we won't go into this in details, but you're going to want to back up your application, because let's say you entered 50 of them and for some reason you lost it, don't know why. So periodically you should back it up. Now I'm going to explain at a different point on the ways to back it up for you, okay? But for now, this is how I wanted to show you how to actually add it. So I hope you have fun listing all your designs, and we'll get back together again. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you soon.